It is capital B. It is small b. So in this video we will learn words which begin with letter B. B for ball. B for balloon. B for balance. B for basket. B for banana. B for bangles. B for bat. B for bell. B for bed. B for bicycle. B for biscuits. B for boat. B for black. B for boy. B for bridge. B for brush. B for butterfly. B for box. B for book. B for blood. B for body. B for beets. B for bin. B for bathtub. B for bus. B for bungalow. B for back. B for brick. B for bouquet. B for board. B for bill. B for butter. B for bread. B for beggar. B for bucket. B for bud. B for bitter gourd. B for building. B for buffalo. B for blow. B for buy. B for buy. B for busy. B for blocks. B for beer. B for bee. B for bike. B for birthday. B for beautiful. B for blind. B for belt. B for bag. B for big. B for bug. B for beetle. B for bird. B for bulb. B for brick. B for broom. B for bend. B for boot. B for brother. Thanks for watching.